How to change username on TikTok now. Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'm giving you a quick tutorial on how to change username on TikTok now. So let's get started. First, what you guys need to do is you will open up your TikTok Now app on your mobile phone, and this is where you will get. TikTok Now is a new application by TikTok which is very similar to Be Real. We can create different memories on a TikTok Now and share with our friends and followers. So, in order to change your username, what you need to do is you will click on your profile at the bottom of your screen. It will take you right here. You can see I have my username right here. To change it, we will click on these three lines at the top right corner. Then we have to click on Manage TikTok Account. So here we have Edit Profile Photo, Edit Nickname. Now keep in mind, you will have the same username you have on TikTok Now as well. In order to change your username on TikTok Now, you will have to change it on TikTok. So if you want to edit your nickname, let me quickly show you that. For a nickname on TikTok Now, you will just enter the name you want to go for. For example, I have this one and I'm going to click on save. This is going to be my nickname. In order to change my username on TikTok Now, I will have to open up my TikTok. So you will go to your TikTok profile, click on Edit Profile, Username, and this is where you will change the username for TikTok and TikTok Now. Once done, click on Save. Your username will be changed. I hope that I was a big help. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, leave a comment down below, turn on bell notification, and subscribe to YouTube channel.